Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone from wherever you're watching from. As I told you earlier on that the TOPTS Tailoring Studio was Augusting, and Augusting this is what we were meaning with August. Let us first see the deputy, what she is doing. I think she's doing some freewear. She's fitting the elastic and doing some beautiful. Hey, so very soon, God with us from Palisa. I hope I gave you the assignment. September. This is September. Actually, I think we have failed to beat the schedule, but I will communicate online when to start. Just that you need to pick your application forms from designated places where I will be doing it. My YouTube followers, this is it. I have just taken water. I was feeling sick. Naye kati ninyweddemuko ku maazi. So this is the stand of Top Stage. So my fellow friends from South Africa, you always like you always request for tutorials on how to sew. Now I have a good state of machinery. Just competence and starting. Imagine all these machines are being operated by one individual. What does it mean? It means that there are jobs. People from MBALE, most especially Mutuva Cell, priority, I want 2 people from Mutuva Cell who know how to sew and join clothes. Come and take this assignment. Then other assignments, I will give them to the country. Kenya, I will want 1 person. Nigeria, Ghana, please, Abigail, I know you're on your way. You're coming to Uganda. Thank you. We shall welcome you when you reach on ground. Then every region, I want 1 person to represent at TOPTS Tailoring Studio. Then my fellow friends from Kaberemaido, please, we are unable to open a branch in Okitoba as discussed earlier because of financial constraints. Katika nsoke ngambe ono Rosinina owena misindwa mlembe yaya namanyile olikugenda kukola limbaga. Is that how they talk? Mkimanyi ogenda kukola mbaga mu November ate obugoye bwolonze buli alali tugenda kubukolako at a cheap and affordable price. Of course, you know Imbale Mwesi and your sister from Buteza, she's the one who is going to make it. Let us first go and see what she's doing on ground. Yes, Madam Rose, how are you? Hey, by the way, let me let you know that if you see the video where someone mentioned the stapling machines,
here they teach everything what you want. There is types of stapling machines. Bye.
Sewing machines. She's here. She's now grown up.
Hi everyone, welcome to TOPTS Tailoring Studio. In today's video, I am going to give you a tour. This was the first machine of TOPTS Tailoring Studio, and the second one was this one. This is TOPTS Straight Machine 1. TOPTS Straight Machine 2. TOPTS Straight Machine 3. This is TOPTS Overlocking Machine Stroke Baby Lock. This one is TOPTS Baby Lock. TOPTS Flatlock. This is TOPTS Button Holder. I am going to show you how it works. So that was our small tour. So come and support TOPTS Tailoring Studio. Before I go, let me switch off button holder. Bye bye.